Hi Coco, njani? I'm good. You seem to be happy.
I'm not happy. Ngizama ukufihla ukuthi ngithukile. Yo.
Why?
Like angi-expectanga something like this nje, angi-expectanga serious.
Oh, sorry again, you took off guard, but the main reason I called you here is to say that I know I don't know you frequently and born with other, but kona la ngingakubona kona day to day landelana, and then I felt with I have something for you.
Wait, ungibona happy. Ungibona happy.
No, phela yabo i-campus enkulu, so ngenzana ukuthi kwangibona but you don't need to.
Angikaze yazi ngubona, ngiyaqala nje ukubona.
Oh really?
Angikwazi.
Okay. So, besides ukuthi uyaqala ukungibona, I called you here just to wish you that I have a crush on you and I'm willing to know you better.
Can you take off the shade?
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to serious like you. I don't know.
Yeah. So besides we'll get to know each other. Yeah, if you don't mind.
So wasn't I going to cook?
I know I did some research on you from a distance. If you care about someone, you do that on it.
Okay.
Yeah, you're like.
So you're spying on me, man?
Not really good. I was spying on you. I was trying to get help.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what are you going to say? What are you saying about my feelings actually towards you?
No, ngiyakuzwa yazi ukuthi uthini, but nje angazi ukuthi manje what do you expect me to say actually?
Okay. No, it's fine for now because I understand mhlambe awangazi kakhulu, right? So mhlambe can we try to get to know each other better before mhlambe we move on to something else?
Manag, Mauti, something else. Are you talking about like he wants us to be in a relationship or something?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, let's just get to know each other because really angwazi. I don't even know you. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. And I've got you some things, Lana, for you.
Okay.
Some.
Oh, actually, these are my favorites. You're really spying on me. Cool.
No, I told you, I've been seeing you a lot. Don't mind what this is our chicken wings. Let me help you take a bite. Let me help you take a bite.
Thank you.
Come on. Thanks. So, I'll be happy if we can get to know each other more. Very since we were in the same school, I'm also schooling here at Howard.
Yeah, but for now, let me just say, I could offer you friendship.
Okay.
For now, yeah. Really.
I understand. So, if you can offer me that friendship thingy, are you willing to give me your number so that maybe we can communicate? Don't say them
it's a bit tricky though. Can I get to think about it?
No.
Like, let's say since I think it happens to you get to see them again. So if we again, surely, yeah. Maybe back when I get on campus and because I've never seen or talked with you before.
Right.
But see let's say if it happened again, then I'll give you my numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not a problem.
I'm hoping you're not disappointed.
No, actually, I'm more comfortable right now.
And I'm sorry if I disappointed you, Jay.
None.
I don't know.
So, yeah, it gets too beautiful to disappoint me now.
Hey, man.
Yeah. It's too beautiful to disappoint.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Wait, I don't even know your name.
Okay. Oh, my name is Shantwayo.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Hope we're not related.
We are actually.
No, not really. I know. No, I'm not related. No.
We are Yasmin.
I just know your name, though. Your full name, though. I'm not sure what to say.
Was it Kunje?
Yeah, no. Ngiyazi nalali khona, but just like Ukuku.
Oh, okay then.
Yeah. So, how do you make yourself beautiful every day?
I know. I know how because I'm
Oh, tell me your magic so that I can adapt to it, because each and every time, about saying 4 times, but every time, every time you're born, like your beauty goes up into another level. Okay.
But okay, thank you, Gaboga. So yeah.
So I'm happy to know you.
Hope to see you again.
You're well, and I'm willing to see you again.
Amen.